Welcome back to your Orah onboarding. In this video, we'll walk through the Attendance Insights dashboard and what each widget tells you. Head to Attendance from the navigation menu and click on Insights. From here, you can switch between your saved views, adjust the date range, and apply filters to narrow down to a specific student group. The first widget is Attendance Metrics. This shows your overall attendance breakdown for the selected date range, including present, excused, unexcused, late, and absent percentages. All widgets can be toggled between class attendance and daily attendance view. Next is the Attendance Rate widget. Your school can set a target attendance percentage by clicking the 3 dots, and Orah will show you how often that target has been met within your selected date range. The Roll Completion Rate widget is available for full class attendance schools. It shows what percentage of rolls were completed by teachers and highlights the teachers with the most incomplete attendance. If your school is on Insights and Alerts only, this widget won't be available. Below that is the Attendance Heat Map, showing all rostered classes within your date range color-coded by attendance percentage. You can switch between class level and year level views from the dropdown. Next, you'll see a widget showing students with the most unexcused absences, displaying their name and the number of classes missed. Clicking on a student opens a detailed record that can also be exported to CSV. This can also be switched to daily attendance view. Following that are widgets for students with the most unexcused late arrivals and the most excused absences. The Excused Absences widget also lets you filter by a specific reason code, so you can drill into individual absence reasons if needed. The Attendance Trends widget shows a comparison of all attendance codes over time in either class or daily attendance view. Below that, a pie chart breaks down all recorded absences by reason code, giving you a clear picture of what reasons students are using most frequently. Scrolling further, you'll find a full student list showing each student's individual attendance percentage, alongside their counts for present, excused, unexcused, and late. You can sort and filter this list as needed and export it to CSV. Finally, Orah allows you to set up attendance alerts that automatically create a concern for a student when triggered. This widget shows how many concerns were created in your selected period, how many are closed, and which students have had the most alerts triggered. In the next video, we'll cover how to create and configure attendance alerts in Orah. See you there.